Let's make the O.F.T.D Mai Tai. To make this drink, I'm going to start with the orgeat. And I do make my own orgeat. Recipe is here on the channel if you'd like to check it out. Link is down below. Note that that recipe is for a 2-to-1, 2 parts sugar to 1 part liquid. This is a 1-to-1 that I'm using today. And we're going to put 1/3 of an ounce in here. 1/3 of an ounce is 10 milliliters. We're going to put it in our shaker. Simple syrup. 1-to-1 simple syrup. I use a raw cane sugar, which is why it's a little bit darker. You can use a white sugar if you'd like instead. Recipe is on the channel if you'd like to check it out. Again, link will be down below if you'd like to make your own simple syrup. 1/4 ounce, which is 7.5 milliliters. Fresh squeezed lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. Dry Curaçao. We are going to put in 1/2 ounce of this. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And it does specify Ferrand. You can sub if you'd like. I'm not the boss of you. And finally, your O.F.T.D rum. We're going to put in 1 1/3 ounces, which is 40 milliliters. Going to add some ice. And we're going to give this a shake. I'm going to let this chill for a little bit while I go get some more ice so I can crush it. I'll be right back. Ice crushed, I'm going to fill my glass with crushed ice. Now, the official recipe calls for an old-fashioned glass. I can certainly do that, but there's a lot of garnishes, and I want to make sure all the garnishes fit, so I'm going to use a double old-fashioned today. And that means I'm not going to fill up the glass, maybe about half. That's about half. Now I'm going to strain the drink into the glass. See, I don't know if all that already would have fit. Well, maybe it would have fit in an old-fashioned. I don't know. Garnish. Garnish is 1/2 of a spent lime shell. I could pick limes up here. I could put that in, but it's going to overwhelm, so I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to put 1/2 of a lime shell instead. Sprig of mint. Wake it up. And finally, what they call a fruit stick, which is pineapple chunks and 1 cherry. Like I said, that's a lot of garnishes. There's no way all that would have fit in old-fashioned. And there you have it, the O.F.T.D Mai Tai from Planteray Rum. Drink with good spirits. How do I get in this thing?